All right, back here on the 57 Rolls, and we had 3 holes here for our exhaust manifolds that we just could not get the studs out, so we drilled them completely out and removed them entirely. So we need to do thread inserts. Now everybody else would probably just put a cheap old POS helicoil in. We don't play that game around here. So when you do a Time-Sert, it's a multi-step process in a kit. First, you drill with the included drill bit. We've already drilled all of these, all 3. Then you countersink with the countersink, which I've already countersunk all 3, but it's in here for demonstration purposes. And then you tap the holes once you countersink them. Now this one I've already tapped, so again, just for demo purposes. It does have a tap, and it's pretty much a bottoming tap. So, see, look, already threaded. Anyway, so that's done. And then your last step is you take your threaded install tool, put your insert on, get it started, and make sure you lubricate the threads on your insertion tool, because the tool actually pushes out the insert, and away we go. So let me clean that hole out one more time, and then I will show you how to insert it. All right, so we have our insert on our installation tool. We run it in our threaded hole. It will then bottom out on the countersink, like so. And then we'll use our installation tool, which will then bottom out. See, it's getting harder. And that's when it starts to expand. We do that until it gets easy again. It is tight quarters because I have the other studs already in, because we were mocking up. And then we go in, and see, it's getting nice and easy again. I gotta get on there. Sorry, I slipped off. I might slip off, but like I say, Time-Serts and Bobby, neither one pulls out. Just run her in all the way. All right, get this finished up, and I'll show you the finished project. Project, blah, 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 blah. I still need to tap these 2 holes. And of course we clean after every step. And that, boys and girls, is our finished product. I'm going to take and just clean it out, and then we can put our stud in, and we'll be ready to roll. We get these guys done. So you gotta tap that. It's already countersunk. Gotta tap it and put our insert. Same in this guy. Focus, damn it. It's a work of art.